Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Amazon KDP to Canva for book cover branding. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Amazon KDP to Canva for book cover branding, start by logging into your Canva account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free on the Canva website. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a Design button. Search for book cover in the design templates. Choose a template that fits the genre of your book you're creating. After selecting a template, customize the elements to reflect your book's theme. Change the title text by clicking on it and typing your book's name. You can also adjust the font style and size to match your branding. Next, upload your book's images or illustrations by clicking on the Uploads tab. Drag and drop your images onto the cover where you think they fit best. Experiment with different layouts, colors, and graphics to enhance the design. Once your design is complete, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Select the file type suitable for KDP, usually a PDF for print or JPEG for digital covers. Click on the Download button to save your book cover to your computer. Now, head over to your Amazon KDP account. Log in with your author credentials. Navigate to the bookshelf section to start the process of publishing. Click on plus Kindle ebook or plus paperback depending on your format. Fill out the required book details such as title, author name, and description. When you reach the book cover section, select the option to upload your cover. Choose the file you just downloaded from Canva. Finally, follow the prompts to complete the upload process. Your book cover will now be connected and ready for branding on Amazon KDP. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.